got myself a selfie stick to see how useful they are in holding things and doing selfie stuff. This one is a slightly unusual one because it's quite big. So what I can do is, if I stretch you out, we'll just keep stretching you out until, there we go, a little bit further. A little bit further. And 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 a little further. And a little further. So yeah, I got myself a selfie stick to see if I can get some cool shots. So one of the reasons that I got this 3-meter long selfie stick was for getting slightly elevated shots of properties. If I'm holding it here 1.5 meters high plus an extra 3 meters of stick, we're getting a good 4.5, maybe 5 meters if I hold it above my head of properties. So here I've been shooting a little bungalow, and let's see the difference in photo that we get, or video. So if I was doing it normal, handheld, this, you can see by my shadow there, this is me kind of holding it head height. This would be the kind of view that would get of the house here. I'm going to take a photo of this as well. So now we'll see what the difference is whenever we start going up the way. I'm hoping that's not electric pylons above me. It's just like phone cables. We'll find out, probably. So here we go. There, that's probably a good 5 meters there. That gives you a view all around. After testing it in a house, I wanted to see if we could use it as a makeshift drone flying through a city centre. Obviously, you can't fly your drone over people or near inside cities. So I put it on my GoPro Hero 9, put it into 2.7K, 50 frames a second, linear mode with horizon stabilizing. Put it up 3 meters and then slowly walk forward. So there's obviously the walking motion, which you try and take the bump out as much as possible, but bring it slow-mo to half speed, and that, I think, looks like I'm flying a drone right over people's heads. And again, because it's just a person with a stick, nobody's turning round, nobody's looking, nobody's getting aggro because you're flying a drone over anybody's head. So yeah, if you're wanting to get some what looks like drone shots in a town, getting 3-4 meters up in the air above everybody's head, at least, you know, first floor up, and then slowly walking along, slowing down the footage, and bingo, you've got yourself some in-city drone shots. Right, any other shots around here?